How to get free stuff on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get free stuff on Temu, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you've been familiar with Temu, you know that they have become really popular in the last recent years because of all the items that they give for very cheap and affordable price. But did you also know that there are many ways to actually get items for free? But of course there could be buy one get two free type of offers. The other type of thing that you want to understand is that if you want to get items for free, you always want to make sure to watch out the notifications that Temu gives you, because normally they give you anniversary offer and they also give you the option to actually redeem your coupon code. So if you have a free coupon code, you can apply that, and while you do that, whenever you're ordering something and then you head to the checkout process, you should be able to actually enter your coupon code if you have them. If you have a credit balance, you can use that as well, and as much as you can go ahead and actually get free items on Temu. So hope this video helped you guys understand the question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.